Hello, my friends. How are you? Okay, you can see this blog edmyonline.blogspot.com. Okay, I've made this blog to just to educate people from the free courses here with digital marketing, SEO, Facebook marketing, and lots of more courses I will be adding here. So what you have to do, you have to come to my blog. You have to click on the digital marketing. And then you need to request an access. For that you need to have a Gmail ID. You just put your Gmail ID and click on request access, or whatever email address you have. You just have to edit, and you have to click on request access. Then I will be giving you the access for the viewer, and you can view all the videos on this digital marketing course. So I hope people will find this course very useful, and they will learn, because my criteria is this, that I want people to learn from me and learn the skills, so they can earn from it and they can support their family. Now I have other thing is this, that if you come to write for us, this is for the bloggers who wants to write articles, and who wants to share articles with us. We also accept articles with the topics mentioned here. So you just need to email me the articles. I will be reading the all articles, and if it is feasible with the topics which we have mentioned, then we will add their articles in our blog. Now, you must be thinking that why I am doing this, and what is my purpose of doing this. So, if you come to about us, now my purpose for doing this is that I want people from every world. They can earn at least 500 a month, $500 a month, so they can support their family. So we have lots of people who are not educated, but they have skills, but they are not educated, so they need to learn more. So for that I have been doing this, so that they can learn from it and they can earn it. So I hope you like my blog, and hope you like my video also. Do let me know your, if you have any questions. You can write an email to me. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.